Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are brand new to the channel or not subscribed yet, please consider to subscribe to my channel and turn on those post notifications. That way you're notified every time that I upload a brand new video, and I'll be able to help you out with your pressure washing journey starting out this year. Also, if you could like this video, this is going to help boost in the YouTube algorithm to help me reach more people and help out their business as well. And also leave a comment down below if you have any questions, or join my free Facebook group at Pressure Wash Community and leave a question there. All right, so today we're going to be cleaning two different jobs that we got from our Facebook ads. First off is going to be a house wash and sidewalk cleaning, and then next one's going to be a pool deck, pool cage, house wash, and then a driveway wash as well. And you'll see that later on, us cleaning the pool cage and the house wash at the end of this video as well. Now, first off, if you do want to get jobs just like me, I'm booking up about 3 to 5 per day. Send me a message at 843-888-2371. I've helped over 50 pressure washing companies scale to over $10,000 per month, and I'll leave a few testimonials here. So if you're just starting out your pressure washing business and you want to go ahead and scale, or you want to get your first and next paying client guaranteed, send me a message at 843-888-2371, or hit that first link in the description. It'll take you to book a free strategy call with me. I'll give you a call and we'll talk about my services and how I can guarantee you leads. So today's video, I want to share with you guys exactly how I'm able to hit $1,000 days, and also how you guys can do the same with your business as well. These strategies are something that you can implement even if you're a brand new business or if you've been doing this for years. Now, if you've been doing this for several different years, this is automatically going to help you just because you have those repeat clients that are coming back year after year. But if you're a brand new business, you can do the same and hit your first $1,000 days within 30 days. So first off is going to be things like organic traffic. This is going to help you guys like Google My Business, where you can get reviews, add your photos, and over time you can rank higher on Google. Also things like Nextdoor, which you can post to your local neighbors that are in the area and offer your services to them. Then there's things like knocking on doors. You don't necessarily have to get into a car. You can do this as a teenager and go around your local neighborhoods like I first did when I first started. Knock on their doors, get one job, have them post a review on Nextdoor, and then that review will bring in you new clients, and hopefully that'll help you hit your first $1,000 day. Now, if you want to skip all that and you want to save time and you want to get jobs faster, then we're going to talk a little bit about paid marketing. That's going to be several different things like buying business cards, buying flyers, buying postcards to send out to people in the mail, running Facebook ads, running Google ads, running paid marketing on Yelp, Thumbtack, different platforms like that to help you achieve those leads and get them coming in faster. Now, while I always think the organic is going to be the best way, because if you think about it, somebody sees your review or you're in contact with them directly in person, knocking on their door, this is going to help you achieve where they're not shopping around for different prices. They're typically going to want to go directly to you to get that job, so you don't have to worry about them saying, okay, I'll think about it, or different things like that. I'll talk to my wife, or I'll talk to my husband. These are pretty much leads that are guaranteed, and I'll share with you some ways to get those leads. But also we're going to share with you a few different ways on paid marketing. Paid marketing is where, people, like for example, Google ads, they have to see different companies. So they're probably going to be reaching out to several different companies, and whoever provides the most value or gives the best quote, they're going to want to go with them. So if I was just starting a pressure washing business, what I would do is I would order 100 yard signs. I would learn how to run Facebook advertisements. And then when I actually get on jobs, I would start knocking doors. Between those two, you should be able to get your first $1,000 day, which would be about 3 house washes for $300 each. This will be very easy. It will take some time, but definitely you guys could get there within your first 30 days. So that would be my advice, but also do the free marketing as well. Build up your reviews and start adding your photos. From there, you can rinse and repeat with your different marketing sources and just keep stacking up jobs.